think this is another one that just dropped off. Look at my beautiful spruce. Flagpole is down again. And the wind's still working on taking off the plastic, so I might as well take it off. Moving everything over to the hut. And I better get it done because the plastic's gonna go. I don't know if I could even pull it off. Or what? Now it's covering up my rose. All right. I got my cover off, and my wonderful husband gave me some hope. It's only bent in a couple areas where, like right here and right there. And if I could just get a couple pieces, I don't know if we can, we could replace those and get a new cover for 60 bucks. And we'd be back in business. But I'd really like to get some wood back here, try to make a fence. But he said maybe we could do a link to that pole and attach it there and attach it over here, and maybe it would be more secure. So you know, I really try hard to make things pretty, and sometimes it just doesn't work out. I have weeds out of control. I have, you know, it's okay. I'll get through it. But this is what my hut looks like. It's really chilly, so I turned the heater back on. But it's full. It's very full. It's amazing that, you know, the stuff didn't look like that was much over there. But yeah, and I can reorganize it better. I just needed to get it in here and get it out of the elements and just get it so it's not such an eyesore over there. And I did leave 2 totes. One has fertilizer in it, and the other has just some potting soil in it. So, and the couple of shelves that I had, I'm just gonna leave them here for now. And I might latch them on to this. I don't know, but right now I'm gonna take a break and see if we can't in the future get this back up and running. So The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tackle the front and try to get Old Glory up off the ground. She's been twisted and tangled so much, but I do want to get her off the ground. So I am in search some, oh, I didn't get my scissors that I was going in there for too. I need some scissors, I do know that. And I don't know if we're going to be able to leave a pole or not. It's just every time we do something and we're like, yay, it just goes to kaputs. So let's see here. These are good scissors. I'm going to see if I can't get it untangled too before I start cutting rope. All right, you guys, yes, it's chilly out, it's cold. I'll see you in a bit. Have a good day.